Business is the economic pulse of a nation. It's the source of goods and services, the platform for innovation and opportunity. Hi, I'm Kevin Harrington. From small startups to global corporations, join me as we go inside the dynamic business world and explore some of today's successful enterprises. Sometimes our biggest savings in time, money, and manpower come from simply being efficient. Stick around and see how.
Since the days of the Roman Empire, valves have played an integral role in the way our world functions. And during the Industrial Revolution, valves and flow control systems were in a seminal time. In the 21st century, valves are still as important as ever. But one company believes that the methods of yesterday should make way for the progress of tomorrow.
We came up with the shutter valve because we wanted to start with a clean sheet of paper. We wanted to use aeronautical design principles and apply that to industrial valves. And what we've done is break from convention because we didn't have to bring any of the limitations of previous valve designs with us when we started with our clean sheet of paper.
Clarke Industrial Engineering was founded by President and CEO Kyle Daniels, who saw an opportunity to create a new and improved valve for an industry that had been short on innovation. After noticing how outdated valves had become and how their flaws greatly affect overall performance for industrial companies, his company decided to look at valves with a new approach. Using a staff of former aerospace and aeronautical engineers, they were determined to create a 21st century valve that addressed and fixed the problems associated with older valves. This resulted in the shutter valve. Aerospace-inspired, it revolutionizes flow efficiency, providing precise flow processing.
The shutter valve has unique features that allow it to be very cost-effective for customers to purchase and to maintain. These features allow the valve to outperform other valves and allows customers to use their process flow in a way that's very efficient, whether they're producing liquid oxygen, gasoline, or toothpaste.
The shutter valve provides a compact footprint, allowing for the reduction of common unwanted fluid effects, known as cavitation and turbulence, acting upon the liquid, and pressure surges caused by sudden stops or changes in water direction, all of which are very common and very expensive problems nearly every industrial company lives with on a daily basis.
The shutter valve is compact and it's built very strong to withstand very high pressure. Fluid moves through the valve very easily. As the valve opens, it presents a very fluid-friendly shape to the oncoming flow, which is able to open and close the valve very easily. It's a beautiful and perfect design.
The shutter valve uses aerospace technology to prevent issues commonly seen with other valves. It's these unique and upstanding features that make the shutter valve such an appealing choice for interested and potential clients.
Our business model includes direct and indirect sales to industrial companies throughout the world. We also license our technology to those markets where the barriers to entry are very difficult. We chose our location of North Kingston, Rhode Island due to its proximity to some of the best manufacturing companies in the U.S. It also has a talent pool of engineers, salesmen, and technicians that's second to none.
Clarke Industrial Engineering constantly works on meeting the concerns of their customers. And through the use of a wide range of valve and seal materials components, they're able to meet any customer need.
Flow control has become much more important over the last few years, and our role is to provide them with the greatest innovation to help their efficiency as well as their return on investment.
They work with customers to assess their existing flow control systems, as well as highlight areas for improvement, and assesses the large reduction in operating costs when inefficient valves are replaced with the shutter valve. In an industry that had stayed relatively stagnant in its innovation, Clarke Industrial Engineering is continuing to lead the charge for new and improved valves for companies both large and small.
The bottom line is that our valve outperforms every other valve on the market. It has unique features that allow it to do that. We're strategically positioned to take advantage of those things, and this is the 21st century valve to provide solutions to industrial customers.